All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to change from free chat to quick chat and back again inside of Among Us. So the first thing you got to do is open up your account information and make sure that your Among Us account is linked to your Steam account. Otherwise, you won't be able to change this setting. It wants to be able to, like, know that you're an adult and all of that stuff. Once you do that, because that button will show up somewhere in your account information panel. Once you're done with that, go ahead and act like you're going to host a game inside of Among Us. Go to the online play option, go to host a game, and then down here in the lower left-hand corner, you can switch between quick chat, which only allows you to respond in quick preset messages, or free chat. If you have it set to free chat, you'll be able to enter any Among Us lobbies. If you set it to quick chat only, you'll only be able to join quick chat lobbies. That's just how it works. So that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.